So this is now, what, 2 weeks after the decompression and stabilization, all went really well. How are you getting on?
Yeah, it's much better, much better. Just some pain, you know, where the implants come in, some healing pain there, but the nerve pain and the sensations.
All that's gone, is it?
Yeah,
Your posture, how do you feel?
Yeah, I feel a bit stiff at times, but a lot better. I feel, in the last few days, I'm starting to feel stronger and
good. Because it's only 2 weeks and you're looking good.
I feel,
Can I see you have a little walk?
Some days I feel a bit weaker, some days stronger. It's
little walk? Yeah, good. And then back the other way? Oh yeah. I mean, if you don't mind me saying, you came on a crutch.
Yeah, it is.
You were on crutches before.
Yeah.
I mean, you look completely different.
Yeah.
Good.